Hey everyone, this is Jason with Share It Solutions, and today we're going to be looking at the Edimax N150 Wi-Fi Nano USB adapter. So you can see here, they say ideal for Raspberry Pi, certified for Wi-Fi B, G, and N. There's a little window with the product. You can see nano size, power saving, works with Mac, Windows, and Linux, high performance on any system. So there's the package here, different certifications and regulations. Back of the package here, a couple different languages and just Edimax information on the bottom. You can see on this side you've got system focus, there we go, system requirements and package contents. So, and on the bottom here, gives maximum performance. Actual data rates and coverage will depend on the network conditions and environmental factors. So, go ahead and open it up. So, it slides out there. It's empty. So you can see here, basic cardboard insert. There's the product. It says Edimax on the end. And it's a USB dongle. So set that aside. This is just cardboard. Got a need help card. A multi-language quick installation guide. Thicker quick installation guide here, and then we've got an installation disc. You can see the Edimax setup wizard for setting this up. So, like I said, again, this is the N150 Wi-Fi Nano USB adapter. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate that, and thanks for all the support.